sew on a button, you need to use the button sewing foot M. First, measure the distance between the buttonholes. Take a look at the table on the operation manual and set the pattern selection dial to the zigzag stitch. Remove the power supply plug from the jack of the machine and attach the button sewing foot. Attach the darning plate so that the fabric does not move forward. To attach the darning plate, align the hole of the needle plate with the tab of the darning plate. Connect the power supply plug into the jack of the machine and turn the main power switch on. Set a button between the button sewing foot and the fabric. Check the hole length by turning the hand wheel towards you. Start the machine and sew the fabric. To prevent the thread from loosening, pull the upper thread to the back side of the fabric and tie it with the lower thread.